Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are talking about how to set a home page of your website and how to create a home page on your website. So as you can see in the previous video, we have installed a theme and a template on our website. So now this is the home page of our website. As you can see, this is the current home page of our website. Now if you want to create a custom home page for your website, let's go to the pages and click on add new. Now you can add your title and description here, and whatever you want you can edit this with Elementor, or you can choose starter templates. Alright, now leave this page, and as we already have created a page named home page, so first off we need to add that home page into the menu. So let's see how to add pages to the menu. Alright, appearance and then menus. Now you can add your pages to the menu. Now you want to add members and activity to the menu, so they have been added. Save menu. Alright, let's refresh the page. You can see members and activity pages are in the menu. Alright, now for example, if we want to create this members page as a home page, how you can do that? So this is just a sample page. Alright, you can add whatever you want. You can edit this page with the Elementor, or you can add whatever you want. Alright, now let's go to the settings and then reading, and then click on home and members. Click on save changes. Now members page is our home page. Click on home page. As you can see, this is the members page and it is our home page now. Alright, let's select back the home as a home page and click on save changes and click on home page. Now this is our home page. Alright, so I hope you like this video. Kindly share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, take care, I'll see you in the next video.